In front of me is OnePlus Nord 6, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Apps over here. Now select App Cloner available under App Management, and to clone any app, hit Agree and Continue. Then you can click on one of those recommended ones, or select other apps to clone any of those. Whatever you decided, after tapping on the one you wanna clone, use gray switcher next to Create App Clone to continue. Wait, and adjust those two options. Rename App Clone however you wish, and when you're ready, choose Save, and also choose Default App to open to tap on one of those options. Always ask Original App or App Clone. With all of those options adjusted, let's go back and check it out. As you can see, my app was successfully cloned. Now, if you ever wanna get rid of this clone, you can uninstall it like you would any other app. Or you can go back to the same section in your settings and uninstall it thanks to blue switcher next to Create App Clone. Whatever you decided, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!